Hello, hi, this is Marie Henderson. In this video, we're going to look at setting up your traditional grade calculations here in PowerSchool for the coming semesters. And so I'm logged into my teacher account in PowerSchool, and I'm going to click to navigate over to PowerTeacher Pro. Doesn't matter what class you open necessarily. We're going to go first to A+ grading and make sure that the categories we're wanting to use for our classes are active. You'll see the categories that the district has created here with the little house. If you've disabled them in the past, you can click up here at the right to show inactive categories, and you can set those for your classes as needed. So for instance, if I want to use classwork in my class, then I'll click this edit over here at the right, and I will select the classes where I want to use the categories, and then in the bottom right, I'll click to save. So you want to go in and make any category that you want to use in a class active for that class using the edit icons here at the right. Once you've got that set up, you'll come here to Settings and go to Traditional Grade Calculations. The default in traditional grade calculations is for total points, but you can edit that by clicking the pencil here at the right. And so if you want to, for instance, weight your grades, standards weighting is not an option as we don't have standards assigned to these classes, but you'll click here on category weighting. Then you can pick the attribute or category that you're going to use. And let's say, for instance, that classwork is going to be 40% of my grade. And so I'm going to type 40 there. And then I click the little plus sign here in the top right, so I can add another. And so again, I'm going to pick category weighting, and then we'll leave this as project, and we'll do 40 there as well. And then we'll add a third one. And so category weighting, and we'll have quiz, or if you wanted to switch it to test, quiz and test, assessments of some sort, and we'll do that at 20%. You'll know that you're good when the weights and percentages match here in the columns and add up, of course, to 100%. And so then I can click to save. And now instead of doing that each time for each of these classes, if I click here at the top on the settings wheel, I can copy my traditional grade calculations. And so unlike in years past where you had quarters in here as well as semesters, now we only have semesters. And so instead of within a class, we'll be copying to another class each time. And so this is from semester 1 and from my G1 class where I just got finished doing that to semester 1, and I'm going to copy that to all of my other Career X classes, and then down here at the bottom right I would click to validate, and then again here bottom right click the green copy. And so it expands each one of these, and now you can see that for my S1 classes, I've got the category weighting set up. If I wanted to do the same thing for S2, could go ahead and click the settings wheel again and copy traditional grade calculations, this time still from the original class, but to my semester 2 classes. And again, I would select those semester 2 classes before I clicked to validate and then to copy. One last note, if you use total points across all of your classes, there's actually nothing that you need to do for traditional grade calculations. As always, if you have questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks, and have a great day.